Let this circle represent $1 million. This is what $10 million would look like. This is what $100 million would look like. And this is what $1 billion would look like. Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX and Tesla, has a net worth of 800 times this number. And then there's you. You're probably working a job right now, one that you got from the degree that you studied for in university. You probably don't have much in savings. Your living expenses seem ridiculously high, and you feel as though you're not paid enough. You have credit card debt that needs taking care of, or maybe you're a student with debt hanging above your head. Wealth? Getting rich? That all seems like a distant dream. How did they do it, you ask yourself? It baffles you. It makes you angry. They got lucky. They were born into wealth. They cheated their way to that money. Those dreams of buying that mansion, your favorite sports car, paying off your mortgage, they'll forever remain just dreams. You come to the harsh realization. It's a rigged game. It's been a rigged game from the start, and you're on the losing side of it. But what if I told you you were wrong? What if there was an actual equation to wealth, a science behind the way money works? What if you didn't have to abandon those dreams? Would you call me a liar? I promise that I'm not. But I warn you, the road is tough. It's filled with struggle. It's filled with ups and downs. There are many of you who will not make it to the end of this road. But for those who do, wealth beyond what you thought possible. At the end of this road lies the freedom of never having to worry about money again. So, are you with me? Welcome. I'm Investor Mascot, and on this channel, we talk finances, investments, and everything money. Still with me? Then let's not waste any more time. What do you really think about money? Is it the root cause of all evil? Are you desperate to have more of it? Have you been chasing it most of your life? Most of what you think about money has been influenced by your upbringing and environment. Hollywood has always depicted the wealthy as evil, backstabbing, corrupt individuals. But have you bought into that stereotype? A report by WealthX showed that 68% of the world's ultra-wealthy were self-made. Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, self-made. The truth is, your equation is all wrong. Here's the two-dimensional equation you've been taught. Money equals salary earned from a job. We all have the most precious resource, and once it's gone, there's no way of getting it back. That resource is time. If you earned $20 an hour and worked 40 hours a week, it would take you nearly 24 years to reach $1 million. You traded all that time for money, and it wasn't even a substantial amount. They have a better equation than you. Pay very close attention now. Stop chasing money. In a capitalist society, you are paid in proportion to the perceived value that you provide. The market is you, your friends, your family, your neighbors, your country. People have to see the value first. It's not about how hard you work. The cleaner is paid far less than the accountant, not because of effort, but perceived value. The first step to this equation of wealth is quite simple. If you want money, solve problems. If it solves a problem, money will be thrown at it. A billion-dollar problem? The solution will make you billions. Think about Amazon, the hassle of going to a store, waiting weeks for delivery, higher prices. Jeff Bezos solved all of that. Start with a problem. Always start with a problem. Listen to the market around you. What are people frustrated by? The final step is finding a scalable solution. Your solution needs to affect a large magnitude of people. Starting a restaurant? Not scalable. But a franchise? Now that's more scalable. Software? Infinitely scalable. Does your solution require your time? A yoga teacher charging $100 per hour has essentially created another job. But if you created an online yoga course that ran 24/7 with lessons you only had to create once, now that is scalable. Automation plays an important role. Systems and processes will keep your business running like a well-oiled machine. The market doesn't care about your passions. Now that your profitable business is running, it's time to reap the rewards. There are two likely paths. You either continue running your business or you cash out and sell. Instagram acquired by Facebook for $1 billion. PayPal sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. This is the acquisition. Either way, you did it. You solved a problem the market wanted solving, and it rewarded you. For most of you, it was never about the money. It was the freedom you were looking for. Never having to ask, can I afford this? How am I going to pay the rent? What dreams do I have to sacrifice? The most important lesson was never about money. It was about the one resource we can never reclaim: time. Stop chasing money. Chase problems and find the solutions to those problems. This is the equation through which all wealth is built. And there it is, your equation to wealth. Find a problem, build a scalable solution, let the market reward you for it. If you want to get started, read the works of MJ DeMarco, who heavily inspired this video. The most important part of the process is failing. Failing fast, learning, and moving on to the next thing. If this gave you a new way of seeing money, hit the like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe. See you in the next one.